Hi people, how are you? So I have done a booking forum customly, like as people can select from which days to which days they want to book, and it will calculate the days automatically, and here will calculate the price. Like as I have put one day for 50 USD, so I have selected here 5 days. That's why I can see here 250, and when anyone click pay, then it will redirect them with the same price in a the payment things. And then let me select the country. Where is that? Bangladesh. And then if I go ahead, then here is the payment gateway. They can select the payment gateway, which payment gateway they want to pay, and they will pay here. And on Wix dashboard you can see the payment. So look like that way. If you need any custom booking forum or custom date book, like as people can choose from which days to which days they can book, and here will be the price calculator and a pay button. So if you need something look like that, then I can assist you with that. If you need any booking things or any custom apps, then you may feel free to knock me. I can assist you with that. Thank you so much. Bye for now.